They say aging is graceful, but only if you're not ignoring these 5 silent zones of your body. What if I told you that skipping just one of these could silently sabotage your health in your 60s and beyond? Meet Mr. D'Souza. He was 68, healthy, sharp, but constantly fatigued with skin irritation and infections. Doctors ran every test. The culprit? Something so basic, it shocked everyone. Improper hygiene of overlooked body areas. Let's uncover the 5 places you're likely forgetting and how they can impact your health more than your diet or pills. 1. Behind the ears, often ignored. This spot can collect oil, sweat, and bacteria, especially under glasses or masks. At this age, skin is thinner and infections spread faster. Gently clean this area daily using a warm cloth and mild soap. In Mr. D'Souza's case, it had caused recurring fungal rashes. Once he began cleaning properly, those mysterious itches disappeared. 2. Belly button. Yes, that small crater harbors a surprising amount of bacteria and dead skin. As mobility declines, it's often forgotten. Use a cotton swab and warm water weekly. Mr. D'Souza admitted not cleaning it for months. The result? A hidden infection that was draining his energy. It's a tiny step that could prevent a big issue. 3. Under the breasts. For both men and women, this warm, moist area is ideal for fungal growth, especially post-65 where skin folds deepen and sweat glands may still overproduce. Dry thoroughly after showers and apply talcum or antifungal powder if needed. D'Souza had constant redness and thought it was eczema. Turns out it was a simple hygiene fix. 4. Toenails and between toes. Reduced flexibility makes proper foot care harder. But moisture and dead skin between toes lead to athlete's foot, nail fungus, or worse, foot ulcers. Elderly patients with diabetes are at double the risk. Invest in a long-handled brush or ask for assistance. D'Souza didn't until a nail fungus almost reached his bloodstream. 5. Back of the knees. Surprising, right? But this bendable joint area traps sweat, especially if you're sitting or lying down often. Poor circulation at this age makes it worse. Gently clean and moisturize the skin folds here. D'Souza had dry cracks there he never noticed until they got infected just from sitting in one position too long. These aren't just hygiene tips, they're preventive tools against infections, fatigue, and even hospitalization. As you age, your body becomes a little less forgiving and a little more secretive about what it needs. Don't let your future be shaped by ignorance of the small stuff. Clean smart, live long. Like Mr. D'Souza, a simple change might just save you a visit to the ER. Keep watching, keep learning, because aging is a journey you can master.